In this video, we'll show you how to install a Wilson Electronics cellular signal booster system in your vehicle. We'll be installing the 801.212 dual-band mobile wireless model, as well as the Sleek, which is one of several Cradle boosters we offer. Your signal booster may be different than the ones used in this video, but the installation process will be similar. If at any time throughout the video you have any questions about your installation, please contact our technical support team at 866-294-1660. Proper operation of a signal booster in a vehicle requires three main components. First, an outside antenna that detects the incoming signal and retransmits it back to the cell tower. Second, a signal booster, which is needed to amplify the signal to and from the cell tower. Finally, an inside antenna near your phone, which communicates with your phone. It's important to note that the inside antenna can be a low-profile bar-type antenna, a standalone phone cradle with a built-in antenna, or a self-contained booster and inside antenna, such as the Sleek or Mobile Pro, where the antenna and signal booster are built into the same device. These three components, combined together, form a signal booster system. Before installing your signal booster, please read through the instruction manual and familiarize yourself with the installation process. Before starting, select the location where you will be installing each component. You'll also want to test out the location, making sure each component will fit and have adequate space to work properly. Once you know where you will be installing the components, you're ready to begin. The first step in installing a signal booster system is to install the outside antenna. In our example, we're using the 12-inch magnetic mount antenna. You may have a different outside antenna depending on the configuration of your system, but these steps will work with all magnet mount antennas. If you do not have a magnet mount antenna, please consult the instruction manual that came with your antenna. Place the outside antenna on the roof of your vehicle, about 12 inches away from any other antennas or windows. Mount the antenna vertically for best performance. Your signal quality will be degraded if the antenna is not vertical. If your vehicle has a sunroof, you will need about 3 to 5 feet of separation between the antenna or cradle inside the vehicle, near the windshield and the outside antenna on the roof. Otherwise, your signal booster may not function properly, and may even shut down due to the cell tower protection safeguards which are built in. Once the outside antenna is placed on the roof of your vehicle, run the antenna cable inside, tucking it under the door seal. Carefully pull back the door seal and run the cable under it and into the vehicle. Then push the seal back into place. This prevents constant wear and tear on the cable as the door opens and closes. Continue running the cable under the door seal on the inside of your vehicle and route it to the location where you will be installing the signal booster unit. The best place is usually under a seat, in the trunk, or under the dash. Connect the outside antenna cable to the outside antenna connection on the signal booster unit. Next, install the inside bar-style antenna if this is what you have. For a more professional look, you can slip the inside antenna under the seat cover or upholstery, then route the cable to the signal booster unit. Otherwise, select a location near where you need the most improved cellular signal, usually high on the driver's seat. Remove the backing from the Velcro strip included with your inside antenna and place it, adhesive side down, on the seat at the same angle that you would hold a cell phone while in use. Attach the inside antenna to the Velcro strip and route the cable to the location where you will be installing the signal booster unit. Attach the inside antenna cable to the inside antenna connection on the signal booster. If you have a one-piece cradle with a built-in booster, such as the Sleek, or the cradle with the built-in antenna, such as the Cradle Plus, the installation of this component will be slightly different. Select the best location to mount your cradle, usually on the vehicle's dash. Make sure that the location you choose does not inhibit you from accessing any of your vehicle's controls. Once you have selected the best location, attach the supplied mounting bracket. Clean the mounting surface using the supplied alcohol prep pad. Peel the backing from the back side of the bracket and press it firmly to the mounting surface. Then, attach the cradle to the bracket. Alternatively, you can purchase a cup holder bracket for the cradle. If you are using the Cradle Plus, run the cable from the cradle antenna to the signal booster and attach it to the inside antenna connection. If you are using a cradle booster combination such as the Sleek, the signal booster is already inside the cradle unit. All you need to do is simply attach the outside antenna cable to the cradle booster. Next, plug the large end of the power supply into your vehicle's cigarette lighter or power port. Run the power cord to the signal booster unit and plug it into the power port. Some units have a power supply with a female USB receptacle and a separate USB power cord. The power supply plugs into the vehicle's power jack or cigarette lighter socket. After doing so, Then plug the large end of the supplied USB cord into the power supply. Run the cord to the signal booster unit, then plug the mini USB plug into the booster. If your power supply comes with an on-off switch, turn the power supply to the on position, and your signal booster will power up. A green light will light up on the signal booster, indicating that everything is working properly. If you see a red light, the inside and outside antennas are too close together. If you do not see a light, the unit is not getting power. The vehicle's power jack may have blown a fuse, or in extremely rare cases, the booster power supply or cable may be defective. If any of the conditions occur, call technical support. Once the signal booster is working properly, you should secure it in place to keep it from sliding around while the vehicle is in motion. With that, you're done. Now you're ready to enjoy stronger signal and stay connected in places you never could before. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you set up with your new Wilson Electronics signal booster. If you have any questions about your specific installation, please feel free to contact our technical support team at 866-294-1660 or visit us online at www.wilsonelectronics.com.